The world is telling us, if somebody hurts you, hurt the person in return. That is the standard of the world. Pero kang Jesus, gisagpa ang iyang aping, he was silent. Gidagmalan siya, wala siya'y tingo. Sama siya sa usa ka karnero nga gilaming, gipatay, and crying in silence. Kung dunay musagpa sa imong aping, ihatag ang pikas aping. And Jesus is telling us, kung dunay magdagmal o magpasakit kanimo, ayaw pagbalos. You will be my disciple if you will not take revenge and do not do something bad to the person.